Namaste. We hope you're all doing well and keeping safe in these tumultuous times. I'm Ashmi Jha, a first-year Japanese honours student from the School of Language, Literature and Culture Studies, JNU, New Delhi. During these times, it has been particularly difficult for students and aspirants because there is no clarity and all of us definitely need some kind of direction. So let me first say that we are all in the same boat, for we can totally understand and relate to the situation that you all are in. Because nothing has changed much since last year, but we are keeping our fingers crossed and we are in this together. You all might be quite disoriented at the moment and overwhelmed with all the information, the dates, and all along with your JNU EE preparation. So let me take you through the journey right from the preparation stage till the day of admission, all aided by the ABVP volunteers in JNU. To make this easier to comprehend, here is a basic run-through of what and how can you expect ABVP to guide you through the entire process. Firstly, there will be a briefing session about the recently released prospectus, in which you will all be taken through the entire process from A to Z, such as how JNU is conducting examinations for various courses, the number of seats available, the scope of your preferred languages, and basically any other doubts that you all have. Further, ABVP will release a detailed syllabus along with the examination guides and other helpful resources that will sure shot guarantee your success in the examination along with your hard work, of course. The next plan of action is to conduct live classes along with special sessions for doubt solving and area strengthening, thus catering to all your preparation needs for the JNU EE. To add to it, there will also be multiple test series so that the aspirants can assess themselves and gain a clear standing on what their strengths and weaknesses are. Once you're all accustomed with the preparation strategy, right before the examination, ABVP will also conduct a briefing about the examination pattern, the precautions to be taken, and the last-minute pointers that you all might have possibly missed out on. Not only this, like every year, there will also be admission assistance provided at each and every stage, right from your journey of being an aspirant to becoming a JNUite. You can see any sort of entrance and admission related information from the contacts as seen on the screen. Stay safe. We are looking forward to hearing from all of you. All the very best.